Hi YouTube, here we are today. I wanted to show you guys this one thing to water your plants, and here's it just came out to my head of doing this drip system and irrigation system, because I used to just have this one bottle on the top right here, but with 4 holes like this. It used to be like this, but the strawberries didn't get water enough. It would just go straight down, so I needed to do something else to fix that. So some of the strawberries were dying right here. Like, they're like kind of, some of them dead because they didn't get enough water. So I needed to come out with some other solution of this. So what I did was get this other gallon, and then so what I got this one quart, this one little piece. It's for a vapor swamp cooler. Here's the measurements, and then it's this little adapter thingy. So I got this one. I drill it. Well, you could drill a hole or use a heat, and then make the hole through there, and then pass the little piece. I got something to hold it with, which was a wire. I passed the wire like this, and then I had the water bottle. So it was kind of, once you have the hole, you pass the water bottle and you try to aim where the thing is, and then hold it for your water could be there. And then once you have that, like, so this is the part of the bottom of the gallon. You pass the thing, you hold it with something on the other side with the gallon. So you're gonna be, this is the top of the part of the hole of the gallon. So it's gonna be flipped. You're gonna be holding this piece like that, for it won't move to the side or back inside. And then you push it in there, get the hose, push it, and then you could put like some little seal or silicone or something to hold, like, to make it waterproof, for it won't have a leak. But you still want to water the plant, so it doesn't really matter. And then you pass all the hoses around, and then so you're basically gonna have this irrigation system where the water is gonna come out, but you make the little holes with the needle for they won't be too big. But this is just a demonstration of the same thing right there. But you get this little plastic thingy. You could bend the hose, and if instead of buying this one, you bend it and then just clamp it or something. Put some wire holding it down for you won't leak through this side. And then right here is the new irrigation system. You see the little drops. So everything's gonna get wet, and then so it's gonna be, the strawberries are gonna be nice and big. Here's one of the biggest ones right now. So this is a way to have a good way to keep your strawberries moisturized with water, and because the other way I had it wasn't getting enough water to it. And you'll probably save a little bit of water with this system. Alright, I hope you like this video and press the thumbs like on it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.